welcome to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another update, another project pen that needs an update to remove some empty products and to add more. So I will have my rolling mask project pen update, and I think this is update number 5. So in this update, actually, in the last update, at the end, after I adding at the end of my last update, after I adding a bunch of products, if you watched the last update, probably you saw that I was adding a whole bunch of sheet masks. I have a total of 110 products. Now I finished from those 110, I finished 27, and I had left 80, I think 83 products. I am adding a ton of them. I am adding 89 products, and I have now a total of 173 to go in the next update. So if you watch this video, you know that I have a whole bunch of sheet masks in this video that I wanna use. Also, I have many categories as eye masks, sheet masks, all kind of clay masks, full sizes, deluxe samples, foils, and so on. So I will show you first everything that I finished since my last update, and then I will show you the items that I'm adding. So the first, let's talk about first the sheet masks, and I have a bunch of them here. The first one is the Skin Laundry. I had this one a couple times before. It's a great mask, a really nice one, and hydrating and moisturizing. It's $10 this one, but it's worth. Then I have some Korean masks that I cannot tell you exactly. This is from Clear Beauty. I have all the names because I checked the price online. Those are regular masks. Then I had two from Knots, still some Korean masks. This is the Special Collagen Real Skin Mask. This one has such a nice, the sheet mask itself was such a nice texture, had such a great texture, fits very well and stays very well on the skin. Also was very creamy as formula, so I really like those two. Then I had the Mamon 7 Days Project. To be honest, I don't remember much about this one. What I have wrote on the back is that the mask was too wide. Then I have a Sephora one, the Work It one, which I always buy. From Skin Food I had two of them. One of them is the olive one, and the other one is the lentil. Those were nice. Then I have two from Dr. Jart. One of them is the Pore Minimalist Black Charcoal, a black mask, which I always enjoy using Dr. Jart masks, and the Ceramidin one, which has a nice creamy texture. Then I have one from this one, wherever it's is from my skinning, probably. It's Cactus Essence Hydrating Black Mask. Then I have one from Garnier, and this one is Innovation Moisture and Freshness. And I have, of course, 3 of the Sephora foot masks that I always roll in this project pen. So those are the sheet masks that I used, except in the foot ones, of course. Now, as jars, I have a hair mask, and this one is the Christopher Robin Regenerating Mask, which I really liked. I have this one in my shower since the beginning of this project pen, but because I had so many hair products in the advent calendars, it took me a while to finish this one, but it was a good mask. Then as eye mask, I finished the Petite Fille, and this one is the Gold and Snail Hydrogen Eye Patch. This one came with 30 pairs, 60 of them. They were nice, especially if you keep them cold. Also, I finished the fresh made watermelon mask, still from Skim Food. This is a mask that you're supposed to use as a first step in the morning before applying everything else. Was nice. It smelled really nice, fresh, like watermelon. I will add another one like this, I think, in this project pen. Then I finished the Acure Pore Clarifying Red Clay Mask, which was okay, and I have backups of this one. Also a mask from Boscha probably is the Luminizing Black Mask. I'm using the black mask only on my forehead and on the spots where I have pores. I will add something else like this. Then I had the mud mask in a deluxe sample. I used this mask before and it's a great mud mask. Then I have a peeling one, and this one was the Formula 1006, is the Get Your Glow Skin Brightening Peel Mask, and this one was with papaya and citrus. Was really nice, and I had no problem removing this one. I'm using a peeling mask once a week, so I finished this one and I have backups. Then a favorite of mine is the papaya enzyme peel from LMS. I'm adding a full size of this one. It's a nice one. I talked about them many times before. Then we have the from Botanics, we have the Shine Away Ionic Clay Mask. Another was good, this one too. Then I have in here the Origins, and this one is the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. I got all those minis in beauty boxes, so I'm using them. Then a favorite of mine, the Glam Glow Gravity Mud, I believe, is the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment, the one that it's like silver on your face, looks like silver. Another one that I always have in my collection. And another good one that I liked is the Needles No More 3D Volumizing Mask. It's another mask that you're supposed to use in the morning from here down to here. It's a mask that really makes a change on the texture of your skin. I felt like it was firming and make my skin more supple and also hydrating in the same time. So I really enjoyed this one, and I do recommend it. So I think those are all the 27 products that I finished. Now I will show you quickly the ones that I'm adding, and of course they are way too many to show you all of them, but I'm adding two hair masks, and one of them is from the Venus, and this one is the No hair mask. I had this one from the advent calendar. It's half empty, and I'm adding a full size in here. And this one is from Phyto Relax, the professional hair care keratin and vitamin E, a huge tub, 500 grams in this one. It will take me forever to finish it, but at least I will work on. Then I'm adding some neck masks that I found in my collection, and those are from CVS. It's the Beauty 360, and I have the sheet eye and neck mask, one pair of each, and they look like this. Then I have the two-step serum and hydrogel neck mask, and I have two of those that I never tried those, so it's time to add them here. So this is the second category that I'm adding. As third category, of course, for some of the categories I don't have anything to use right now, that's why I'm adding them. For other categories I have only one or two products, so I will need them anyway very soon. As I said, the next category that I'm adding it's with foot masks, and of course I'm adding the Sephora ones. I found those two limited edition ones, and this one is the almond one. Also, if you watch my hauls, you saw those from Amope, and this one is the Pedi mask. And I'm adding also two from Avino, the repairing Chica foot mask. So I have 5 of those. As I told you, in total I'm adding 89 products. Let me remove those. Then the next category that I'm adding are eye mask, and this last time I went with a pack of with a box of 30 pairs. This time I'm going with singles. I'm trying to remove everything that it's one-time use, or trying to reduce my collection and using them. I have those from beauty boxes. And actually this is the lip mask category, not the eye one. I will show you the eye one in a little bit. So I have 2 of the Sephora lip mask, and this one, and I don't know if I have it here. I know I have one left from before. This one and the Rodial one are my favorite, as I told you before. Also I have 2 from Neutrogena, 1 from Berrysom, 2 Go Spa, Burt's Bee, of course the Tony Moly ones, So A, Star Skin, this one is from OK, and the last one is from Coco Star. Some of them are still from advent calendars, so I know the Coco Star one from an advent calendar for sure. The others are masks that I got in boxes. It's not something that I always buy. I usually buy the Sephora ones, and I buy them when my daughter wants them. So this is another category, and as eye masks, as I told you, I'm adding a whole bunch of singles in here that I have. I have also some boxes with 60 of them, but I want to use the singles first. This one is from Nick. It's a Korean one, another Korean one. I have also a couple from Sephora, the pearl one, the grape one, lychee, lotus, and avocado. Those are the ones that I always buy, the Sephora ones. Another one that I like always to buy is the Skin Iceland one, and I have 3. Another good one is the Shiseido one. A favorite of mine is the Erno Laszlo. I have the Wilma Schumann, 2 of them. The OK, also 2 of them. The Chlorine ones, 3 of them. The Pacifica, 1 of them, which I never tried. Also I have 2 packs in here from Spa Life, and each one of them comes with 12 pairs, so they will last me a long time. The first one is the oxygenated under eye strips, and the second one is the Wake Up Under Eye Revitalizer Espresso in vitamin E. Then another one, those are those small eye pads, and this one is the Beauty Formulas, 12 of them, the cucumber ones. Also a heating eye mask, Gentle Steam eye mask. Then another one that I used before is the BioRepublic Lost Baggage. And I have a couple more from Milate. I have the Fashion Black eye mask. Those are Korean masks. Also I have this one, the Black Hydrogel eye patch. Those are very cute. The Glam Lock Abracadabra mask from Too Cool for School. Then I have the Rodial one, Dragon Blood mask. Also I have the Urban Look Persian Cat eye mask that comes with an essence and the mask. I have an Azure one, vitamin C and collagen. From Acure I have the Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye, Panda's Dream, and Panda's Eye from So A. So this is all as eye masks. next year probably I will work on the singles that I will have at that time from the advent calendars, and also on small sizes in every other category as beauty products. I'm not trying to use what I have. And the last category that I'm adding in here, I have a couple full-size masks that I'm opening now. Probably I'm not gonna finish them by the end of the year, excuse me, but at least I will have some progress on them. I was going through my collection and I found those. I have some of them for a while and it's time to use them. The first two ones, those are full sizes. It's a powder mask. This is from Vase. It's Pore Perfection, and I have two. Then something is on the floor. Then from here I have another skin food one that I have one that I just finished. Is the Fresh Made watermelon mask that I told you you're supposed to use as first step in the morning. Then I have a full-size mud mask, and this one is Pure Body Naturals and is a Dead Sea mud mask. And this one's supposed to be used once a week, so it will take me a long time. Those are full. I didn't use any of them, so they are completely full. Then I have the Skin Food Black Sugar Mask Wash Off Mask, another one that is not open. Also I have in here the Palmetto Derma Rejuvenating Antioxidant Mask. I have another powder one from Alma Botanicals, and this one is Luminous Glow Botanical and Clay Mask. And two more that I want to work on. One of them is the LMS, the Papaya Enzyme Peel in a full size. And also this one from Freeman, this is Pineapple Enzyme Mask, which is quite a huge one. But anyway, all of them are big. So probably I'm not gonna add anything to this project pen. I will try to use as much I can until the end of the year. It's a project that I will close at the end of the year, and I will take a break probably for several months. At the beginning of the next year I will have it back for sure, because one thing that I know, it's when I don't have them in project pens, I don't use them very often, quite very rarely. But we'll see at that time. In the meantime, thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you guys in another video. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye bye.